champions, the best of the best. But what's not always better than the rest are the shirts that teams put on after they win a championship. So I wanted to make sure that after my home chapter of Kappa Kappa Psi, the Iota Zeta chapter, won the Founders Trophy for top chapter, want to make sure that I made a shirt that stood with the very best Super Bowl champions, SEC champions, Roll Tide, NBA champ, like all kinds of champions. I wanted it to be in that echelon. And there are a few elements that helped me achieve this dream. Now, with any championship shirt, there are certain elements that I feel are pretty much required. So there are some, that'll have just the regular old champions just there with the logo and then the team logo. And I think a championship shirt should be aesthetically pleasing. It shouldn't seem lazy, and it should have something that makes it unique to that team and to that sport. So breaking down what I did with this MIGHTY Iota Zeta chapter shirt, I had to have the chapter logo there. It had to have the trophy or the logo of the award in the design, the year, obviously, and then a little something extra to make it unique to the chapter. So I got the logo there, and then I actually took the logo from the William Alexander Scroggs Founders Trophy that I also designed, and I put that in there and then made the colors match, because our school colors, blue and gold, so the shirt was going to be blue and gold. And then I have the year there because having an overall shape that you want everything to fit in, I decided to use a square and then have like a big bold graphic in the middle. But with the graphic in the middle, in my first design, I actually had more words at the bottom, but that'd be kind of hard to read. So I wanted someone who's looking at the shirt for the first time to immediately get the reference. So even if you don't recognize the crest of the fraternity, you will know what it is based on the text below. And then I wanted something, so it's not necessarily champions, but you want some kind of text there that is kind of fancy. So I actually wrote the MIGHTY because that's the nickname of the chapter, the MIGHTY Iota Zeta chapter of Kappa Kappa Psi. And I had the MIGHTY, so I want MIGHTY to be weighted, be the bigger text, but have the MIGHTY there and have that kind of working within the design behind the trophy. And I really like how everything came together. The shirts turned out fantastic. It was so cool to see all the bros wearing them and getting them and excited to post pictures about them. And this was a great fundraiser for the Iota Zeta Alumni Association, and also it afforded us the opportunity to donate some money to the active chapter. So great design, great experience, great chapter, and it was a way to visually express our pride in the work that the actives have done. That's gonna do it for me on this video. Thanks for watching. Make sure in the comment section down below you let me know what you think of the design. And remember, as you go along in life, teach as you learn and inspire as you do. See you next time.